Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're headed back up to Providence today, and we have a few things planned. But before I go into that, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who's been watching and everyone who's subscribed. You know, it's we put this stuff out there just not only to catalog what we're doing, but also, maybe somebody gets to live a little bit through us, or they learn something from what I'm trying to accomplish or a mistake that I've made. So, like I said, thanks again. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And we have a lot of videos to come as we have a lot of work that's going to be done here in the next few weeks and months to get the boat ready, because we want to get back out on the water. So just to recap the last video that we put out, by the time you see this, we got the motors started. We did a motor flush with the Track Ecological Barnacle Buster. It's an environmental product, or environmentally friendly product, that kind of cleans out all of the calcium deposits and heat exchangers and everything else that runs through the raw water system. So we got both the motors started up the other day, and that's one step closer to us being able to take her out for a day trip here coming up soon. So today what we're going to do is, so one of the things that I have learned is that if you think a project is going to take you 2 hours, plan on 6. And that's just the way that boat work goes. It's because nothing ever really goes as planned. So if you're not planning to double or triple the time that you have allotted, you're gonna find out quickly that that's going to be the case. So as was the other day, I was hoping to get both motors flushed, started, and a bunch of other things accomplished, and of course that didn't happen. So today we're gonna try and pick up where we left off to get taken care of, and then of course I'm going to get there and see other things and get myself distracted and diverted, because that's just what I do. So we'll see you at the boat. Thanks again.
I've been watching Mandalorian. I'm ready to go.
All right, guys. We have cleaned off the back wall, and we're going to put shiplap along the back. So we're getting ready to put the first course down, and we'll kind of go through that process, and we'll kind of let it run, and we'll speed it up with some music to it, because it'll take us a little bit to make each one of the cuts. So we'll get right to it. Short day. It's hot, and we came down here with just a purpose to try and get the shiplap up on that back wall, just to kind of see if we liked it, and I think it ended up turning out pretty well.
It looks so good. It looks really good. I don't know that we quite feel like Chip and Joanna with our boat project today, but we're happy with how it turned out.
Yeah. The white actually, it brightens that whole space up a lot more than I thought it would, and I think we'll fill those nail holes, we'll get the crown piece in, and then probably repaint it white, and I think it's going to look really, really good. So we also took the time to put the chest freezer in that back corner. That kind of curved section of the couch that was there before was kind of awkward to sit in, and as we're always looking for more space to be able to store food, especially frozen food, we got us a nice chest freezer. They're cheap, easy to replace. You can buy them just about anywhere if they go bad, and it fit right in that corner. We're going to trim it out, make some storage right behind it for some other things, but I think it's going to turn out pretty well.
It ended up being the perfect spot. We were really worried about taking up extra kind of limited floor space to make sure we still had good room to move around, but it worked well.
Yeah, I think so. So that's going to be it for today. Next time we're going to work on the salon floors. We're going to finish the motors, putting the motor guards back on, and getting them started. Hopefully, if the weather is good, we're going to take a trip out to an anchorage that we learned about last week, and check it out. So it's about 2 hours from here, so that'll be the first kind of boat run for the year. But we're going to check that anchorage out, take you guys along, and hopefully that's going to be like our first weekend spot. But I want to go scout it out first, so I'm pretty excited about that.
I'm really excited too.
Well, if you liked what we had to do today, please subscribe, like, leave a comment if you wish, and we'll see you next time.
And also follow us on Instagram, Sandpaper and Seashells.